Let me introduce my beloved daughter. Her name is Brittany. She was born in 2008 from the best German AMG C63 bloodline. Since the time she was born, we take care of each other very much. She has given me pride and joy, peace, safety, and I give her all the best she deserves, including her favorite new Michelin shoes, keeping her hydrated with all the best fluid and supplements she needs, as well as a regular spa and health checkup to make sure she is at her best inside out. Although we used to go out together once or twice a week, each time we met, she hugs me, protects me, takes me to wherever I want to go with the best loving joy and pleasure a luxury sports car lover could dream of. With her big 6.3-litre heart, she could roar like thunder if you ask her to, yet smooth like silk without interrupting your conversation with anyone you care for. Due to work commitments, we have not seen each other for over 19 months. I feel like it is not fair for her to accept my continuous desolation. Therefore, I think it is best for me to find a best friend, a new loving family, to start having the best memories and journeys together with her. With only 91 clicks on the clock, it is the ideal time for a new loving home.